In the heart of the 13th century, Marco Polo, a Venetian merchant and explorer, embarked on an extraordinary journey that would reshape the world's understanding of the East. His travels spanned over 24 years, taking him through unfamiliar lands, across vast deserts, and over towering mountain ranges. But it was during his return voyage in 1295 that a catastrophe struck. A violent storm battered their fleet, and Polo's prized possession, his travel diary, was lost. This account, known as the Book of the Marvels of the World, was a treasure trove of information about his adventures, filled with details of foreign lands, exotic customs, and incredible wonders. The loss of the diary was a bitter blow to Polo. His memories, his life's work, had been swept away by the relentless sea. Yet, the story of his travels lived on, albeit in a less detailed form, through the accounts of other travelers and through Polo himself. Years passed, and the memory of the lost diary faded. It was not until the 16th century that the pages of the lost diary resurfaced. A Venetian scholar, Fra Mauro, discovered a manuscript in the library of a Genoese family. The manuscript, suspiciously similar to Polo's account, was traced back to the lost diary, offering a glimpse into the lost chapters of Polo's extraordinary journey. The rediscovered pages revealed new insights into the world of the East, providing details about the Mongol Empire, the Silk Road, and the unknown territories that lay beyond. The discovery was a reminder of the vastness of the unknown, and the potential that lay in exploration and discovery. Today, the lost pages of Marco Polo's travel diary remain a testament to the power of exploration and the enduring allure of the unknown. They serve as a reminder that even in loss, we can find new horizons, and that every journey, no matter how arduous, leaves a lasting impression. The missing pages may have been lost, but their legacy lives on, inspiring generations to embark on their own journeys of discovery.